Okay, this video is to show how to operate this machine. First, we turn off this power switch. And then we input our password. Okay, then successful activation. After we input the password, we get into this main interface. Now we connect this test, connect it. And then the next step is we need to set up a new ID. Add the new, and then input the ID. It can be the name of the person, and then we connect the age. The sex is female or the man, and the height is we need to set into, and then we connect OK. And then we should ask the customer to take off the shoes and also the socks, and the foot should be in the middle of these two plates. And stand well, connect, test, and then we can see the result is here. And after finish the weight testing, and then we connect this next. Okay, and then test the body composition, and the hand should be hold like this, should be completely close to this work head, and then should breathe calmly and don't talk aloud. Okay, and then we can see this is the body composition report, and we can also click next. After we see the report, we can click next to print. Click this print. And okay, here is our report. Okay. This video is to show how to connect our computer to this machine. And the first step is also to turn on our power switch. And then please choose the PC. And then input our password. And then succeed. And then we should check the basic setting to know the Wi-Fi of this machine. And we can see that here is the network name, GS6.5. This is the network name, and the network IP is this green, and the port is in. Okay, so then we connect the computer. Okay, So we connect the network. We can search and to find the GS 6.5, this Wi-Fi, and we connect it to connect. This is connecting. Okay, now we are already connected to this machine, and then we connect the software on the desk. Okay, the password is default 60, and then we connect OK. And then we get into the network, okay? This is device setting. We first click this device setting. And this, here is one device name. And then we check the device IP and the port. And this is the IP of this machine, and we can check here IP, and this is the port. Okay, and then we connect it. We choose it, and then we connect the connector. Connect succeed. Okay, click OK. And if it is turned green, and this means disconnect, and this means we already connected to the computer, and the next step is we need to synchronizing this computer to the machine. See, when we connect OK. And after the synchronization, and this computer's data is totally the same with this machine. And this here is the search function. We can, for example, we search K. And we can review. We can review the name of NH, the ID is case data here, and we can print. Click it to print the data, to review. Okay. And how to connect the computer and how to make the computer to control the machine work is first we need to add a new ID. And we can input any name. For example, I input W, and the name is also, we can use input the name of the customer, and the height we should also input. For example, age, and then input the age. Okay, the phone number and the email you can not choose to input. Just to input the red point. Then we click OK. And then we connect this new ID. Click this start measuring. Okay, and ask the customer to stand on the platform. Okay, and then we through this computer to test. First, we should wet measuring, collect the wet measuring, and then we can show the machine shows the customer's weight. Okay, after measuring the weight, then the next we need to wet the body composition. So we need to connect this impedance measurement and ask the customer to hold the work hand. Stand still. Okay, we can show the data is already shown on the computer. And we can connect this print to print the report out. This video is to show how to make the mobile phone to scan the QR code to get the report. First, turn on the power switch and connect mobile report this. And input the password. Then successful activation. First, we connect the basic setting to connect the Wi-Fi to the mobile phone. We can choose the Wi-Fi. And we choose this STA wireless access, and we input this network name, and this network name A is my mobile phone's host post. You can see this is A, and we input A. And after we finish this, we confirm the configuration. And then we can see we already connected our mobile phone's Wi-Fi, and we show how to upload the data to the mobile phone. For example, we choose one of the customer's data, and we open. We can see the weight, and then we open to see the details. And we can show that here is a QR code here, and we can scan the QR code first. Okay, and the first one we cannot see the report, and we need to regenerate the QR code, connect it and scan it again. Okay, this time we can see the report data is already uploaded to the mobile phone.